Order in the court. You may all rise. The court is now in session. Now you may all be seated.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I am Nang Tran and I'm the prosecuting attorney. I am a lawyer experienced in many cases of mother going crazy and committing homicide.
Good afternoon. I am Linda Gutierrez. I am the defense attorney. I am very knowledgeable and well experienced when it comes to defending the innocent. I'm here to prove to the jury that this poor woman, Sethe, is innocent and she had to do what was best for her children.
I'm here to prove that Miss Garner is guilty for the act of killing her child. Miss Garner was a runaway slave from the plantation, Sweet Home. When her true owner found her, she turned into an animal and bloodily killed her child. Now please let Miss Garner to the trial.
Good afternoon, Your Honor, Mrs. Lawyers.
Now, let me start with this. Is it true that you tried to kill your own children?
I don't want to answer that, ma'am.
This is not your choice to answer or not. We are in a court and it's the law that you tell us the truth. Now, did you try to kill Berger and Howard and Denver and your second daughter?
No, ma'am. I didn't want to kill them. I was protecting them.
Our time here is short. Did you or did you not kill your own child?
Objection, Your Honor. The prosecutor is accusing my client.
Objection sustained.
Your Honor, now Miss Garner, can you tell me what happened?
Well, ma'am, being a slave is really tough. On top of that, being a woman's slave is even worse. All I wanted was for my children to be happy. I just wanted to endure their pain for them.
Ending their pain by giving them more pain? I'm a human. I feel pain. I know how your children felt. You are not protecting them. You are stripping their right for a future. Your children have so many things to look forward for the future.
I never meant for this to happen. I never meant to hurt my children. I never meant to kill my baby.
So, are you admitting that you killed your daughter?
Objection! The prosecutor is luring Miss Garner.
Objection sustained again.
Garner, why don't you tell the honor how much you love your children?
I love my children. All I wanted to do is protect my children. I killed my children. I was a slave my whole life. I suffered so much. For once, I wanted something for my children. I'd rather die in hell than to live as a slave for the rest of my life.
What do you mean you never meant for this to happen? How is it even possible to not mean to kill your children? Mother in history are known as loving and caring.
It's the only way to keep my family from being brought back to Sweet Home. It's either becoming slaves again or be punished. This is because if a slave was caught running away, they were either beaten or forced to do hard work. So when I saw a school teacher and 3 other men arrive to 124 Bluestone Road, I ran to the shed and did the first thing I could think of, which was to murder my children and allow them to be safe in heaven instead of living their lives in misery as slaves. But I was only able to successfully murder my oldest daughter, and it was too late to murder the rest of them.
Your Honor, please. I'm also a mixed African American woman. I understand what Sethe is going through right now. It's hard out there for us. She was just trying to do what is best for her children. It is human nature for mother to be nurturing. So, of course, Sethe wouldn't hurt her children without intention. In Sethe's situation, it's either live a life of misery as a slave or die happily as a free person. She was just trying to protect her children. She was preventing them from living a life of being seen as an animal. Isn't that what all mothers want? What's best for their children? Now let me introduce you to a witness, Edward Bodwin.
Honor, I think I have made my point clear, and I will not have any question for Miss Sethe right here and her witness. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. I'm a very young person from Cincinnati and a very honorable man. I'm here to speak the truth, and the truth will be spoken by me.
Mr. Bodwin, can you please tell us what you know about Miss Garner household?
I was baby sucked very well. In fact, I've seen her work day in, day in, day in the house they're living in. They are very hardworking people, and they are one of the most honorable black folks that I know. You know, in these days, trusting black folks is one big fly, but I trust them.
Do you think Miss Garner killed her children due to the fact that she is crazy and killing her baby without intention?
Into the shed, I saw her holding the breathless baby tight. I knew she wouldn't let go. I understand that it was love.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Bodwin. Now, may both of you say your final arguments.
As you can see, Your Honor, ladies, gentlemen, boys, and girls, Sethe here is innocent. She killed her children for protection. Mr. Baldwin proved that Sethe didn't mean for this to happen, but because of the situation, this was the downfall. She'd rather have her children live happily dead as free than to live miserable life as a slave. For these reasons, Sethe Garner should be seen as not guilty.
Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, Sethe is a runaway slave. With just that note, she deserved to go back to the plantation or be prosecuted. She may have killed her children in order to protect them, but she does not have the right to make the decision for her children. She is still a murderer of her child and attempt to murder 3 more. We should be concerned of what she would do to others if she were able to kill her own children without hesitation. For this reason, Sethe Garner should be announced as guilty for her crime.
Thank you for your time. Jerry, please make a wise decision on what Sethe Garner should be held accountable for.